Now we're going to cover the center parameters. Once you've watched the videos on joint in parameters and joint out parameters, the center parameters are virtually the same. There's only one difference. Center parameters have the option to control the spacing between rows. We only get one row for joint in parameters, one row of tie rods. We also get only one row of tie rods from the joint out. However, in between those two joints, we can have an unlimited number of rows of tie rods depending on how long the fitting gets. So in this particular case, we would first choose whatever center parameters we want, and then we need to choose how we dictate the spacing between the multiple rows. To start this off, we're simply going to look at the three methods of placement. We have quantity, space, and space exact, exactly what we had for joint parameters. We're going to choose the method space. We're going to say that the minimal spacing is going to be 6 inches and the side offset is going to be 2. Now that's going to control the spacing from one end of the fitting to the other in terms of the width of the fitting. However, we now need to go to the line placement options to control the number of rows between the joints and the spacing between those rows.